Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a checkbox to a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF and I will insert a fillable text box. Now click on this form option. Here you will find this text box icon. Click here and select. Now drag your text box here and increase decrease this text box size. Now click right button and select Properties dialog box and go to the right option. Here you can see checkbox name, you can add tooltip name, and visibility you can make it read only required, and orientation. This appearance option. Here you can choose border color and this one, and fill color. I'll make it default white color. Also you can change, and font size auto, and this check mark color you can change it. I'll make it this color, orange, and border thickness thick and solid and style and so on. And this position you can change this checkbox position here, and this option is export yes, and checkbox style you can add circle box, cross, and diamond disc and so on, and make it check. Now simply select cross and go hand option and see this our checkbox box now created. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.